Hello, welcome to this video. In this video, I am going to explain about mod function. Under the formulas tab, we can find math and trig function library. Under that, we can find the mod function. Purpose of the mod function is it returns the remainder after dividing a particular number with a divisor. Here I am writing mod function equivalent to mod this function consists of two functional arguments. First one is number and second one is divisor. Coming to number, I am considering the value which is available in A3 cell. Thereafter, coming to divisor, I am considering B3 cell value. Click on OK. So here remainder equivalent to 0. Double click on fill handle. We can find the remainders. Now I am extracting the formula equivalent to formula text. In this way, we can use the mod function. Thanks for watching.